Hello, welcome to another very special episode. In a bid to increase my audience base, I have decided to call different regions savage. So welcome to Mumbaikars are savage. We have the OG gang with us. Prisoner OP is here. Hey Rohan, welcome. We have Ryder OP is here. And of course, we have Shohar OP. You see a very familiar place. Please give it up for Ashish Chanchlani, aka Ashish. नाम क्या देना है? जैसे राइडर है, प्रोवाइडर है, शोहर है.
मैं ऑप्शन सजेस्ट कर सकता हूँ.
yes,
कर सकता हूँ. तो एक ER होना चाहिए ना, तो थिएटर ओपी.
क्या?
मैं थिएटर ओपी हो जाए. थिएटर ओपी.
Lovely. I love Rohan. Tanmay, 2 minutes into the stream, he's not roasting me. I love Rohan. Any day. I love him. I take him over you.
We have very special guest Ashish Chanchlani, aka Theatre OP in the house. Ashish bhai, welcome to the episode. Thank you for making time. I know you were shooting your next video, which will release 9 months from now. So congratulations on that. Friends, we have called Ashish here today because when you think Mumbaikar, you think Ashish Chanchlani. When you think Mumbai, you think myself. When you think Mumbai, you think Rohan. But we have two gaddars. We have two rival enemies from Delhi, which is Vishal and Nishan bhai. Nishan bhai, today at the end of the episode, you have to accept that Mumbaiites are savage. Okay?
Can I do it right now? They are. मैं अभी से
check clear होने में.
When she cheats on you.
विराज जाने वाली लोकल आज प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 पर आएगी. यात्रियों की असुविधा के लिए खेद है.
Still better love story than Twilight. Has this ever happened where one train who you fell in love with, every day you would meet this train, and despite that one day the train is like, आज मैं किसी और के साथ हूँ, आज मैं प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4 पे आ रही हूँ.
मेट्रो में ऐसा नहीं होता ना, सेम ही असाइंड रहता है.
You and off from this panel, Vishal Dayab.
विशाल क्या मेट्रो मतलब जिसमें एसी होता है उसकी बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, जिसमें गेट अपने आप बंद हो जाता है.
हाँ अनाउंस भी करते हैं कौन से साइड क्या आएगा.
Well, you tell me, can you sell bangles inside a metro? कुछ भी. Can you sell earrings inside a metro? कुछ भी. Smell करने को मिलता है मेट्रो के अंदर. हाँ. गांड में खुजली तो खुजा सकते हो तो मेट्रो के अंदर. हाँ.
Rolas, when your train network kills 20 people a day.
Languages do you speak?
Marathi.
Marathi. All right, say anything to me. Everyone in the comments, let me know what he says.
आता तू मित्रांसोबत आहे म्हणून सोडतोय, नाही तर एकटा असता तर गाण मारून दिली असते.
Did you say that I got a nice booty?
Oh yeah.
Rohan, can you translate for our Delhi friends?
What he said is that because you are with your friends, I am leaving you. Otherwise, we all know गाण मारतो is same in all language.
बट नॉट जस्ट इंडिया. वो फिरंग को समझ में आ गया कि बूटी तो बोला है, गांड तो समझ में आया. कुछ तो बोला है.
Why is मराठी में और कौन से funny गाली है? Rohan, can you teach some of us?
I'm a fan of Zawadia.
Zawadia
Can be better
Zawadia
than
is the vibe,
Zawadia.
dude.
Hey, Marvel ने Zawadia नाम की कोई पिक्चर निकाली है क्या?
Tanmay, so much for diversification.
चैट में किसी ने पूछा है उल्लासनगर मुंबई में कब से आ गया? अरे भाई मुंबई में ही है भाई.
Bro.
जान भाई आपस में लड़ रहे हैं.
What does Zavadia mean?
Fucker, basically, right? Thing is, you have to really appreciate about Marathi is that you don't need galis also. There are certain spectacular words. Like the Marathi word for cockroach. Zural.
What?
Zural.
Like when you see Zural, you know it is Zural. It cannot be a good thing.
Is it true that the word for earthworm is called gandul?
It is, yes. It is.
I'm so pretty. Absolutely Goregaon. Gorgeous.
This was really nice. Oh.
God, please, Navi Mumbai. Hello, sir. Where am I? Mumbra. Where the f*** is Mumbra? I don't even know where Mumbra is.
Mumra, Diva, Mumra, Kalwa, before Thane.
पता तो मुझे भी नहीं है, पर मुझे मीम से समझ में आ गया कि बहुत मस्त जगह तो नहीं है शायद.
मैंने जगह के बारे में सिर्फ सुना है because of the traveling. ठीक है, दीवा, मुम्बरा, कलवा. And जब भी मुम्बरा आता था ना, train used to get always like heated. Like बहुत ज्यादा argument ऐसा मुम्बरा से ही चालू होता था. मुम्बरा तक सब peaceful रहता था, एकदम ऐसे एकदम मस्त. सब अच्छा, morning अच्छा जा रहा है. Post मुम्बरा it always used to be arguments.
उन सबको नवी मुंबई पैदा होना था ना.
Can we say Mumbai is the Delhi of Mumbai like that? No, never mind.
नाम ही बुरा नहीं है.
नहीं.
Hey guys,
तुम्ही पाहू शकता आम्ही अशा रम्य अशा वातावरणात आलेलो आहोत. हे
Hey boys, I have a question for the men. What the fuck do you want?
My kneecaps are wet right now. Saying that.
चैट में किसने बोला है फोटोशॉप डे?
झूठ है तो मुझको बता.
किसी ने चैट में बोला है मल्टी रिवर्स ऑफ मैडनेस. पनवेल सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स.
स्पाइडरमैन बाद में जाते.
स्पाइडरमैन अगले ट्रेन से जाते.
अरे ये तो
हर्ट हुआ ये
Oh man.
too good.
Infrastructural damage.
अरे this is my teammate.
हैं?
Yes.
Ah.
Oh yes.
ये क्या स्टेरियोटाइप है कुर्ला का कि यहाँ पे सिर्फ चोरी होता है कुर्ला स्टेशन
अरे
पे?
तन्मय मेरा भी वॉलेट चोरी हो चुका है कुर्ला स्टेशन.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
I was not going to say this ever, but because ये मीम आया है, so that कुर्ला की पब्लिक ऑफेंड नहीं हो जाए. But this is true. कॉलेज टाइम पे मेरा वॉलेट चोरी हो चुका है कुर्ला.
देखो कुर्ला स्टेशन पे आउट स्टेशन के ट्रेन कुर्ला स्टेशन पे आकर रुकते हैं ना. तो मुंबई वाले नहीं चुरा रहे भाई, ये बाहर से लोग आते हैं ना. दे आर कमिंग हियर एंड स्टीलिंग आवर वॉलेट्स, नॉट जॉब्स.
दिल्ली से आके दिल्ली.
Yeah, North Indians. Yes.
What I really like about this video is it's good to know that before he founded Boat, Aman Gupta used to take the train, like all of us. Like,
अरे हम भी चुरा लेंगे, हम भी चुरा लेंगे.
ऐसा टेम्परेचर 25 पे होता है ठीक है, 24 पे होता है ठंडा लगता है थोड़ा, 23 पे ऐसा एकदम मॉडरेट लगता है, ऐसा ब्रीजी लगता है, 22 पे अचानक से इतना ज्यादा क्यों ठंडी पड़ना चालू होती है?
हाँ ये सही है.
एटलीस्ट कि यहाँ पे ठंड पड़ती है, हमको वॉचमैन के साथ जाके बाहर जाके हाथ सेकने नहीं पड़ते. ठीक है,
वॉचमैन के साथ हाथ सेकने के लिए वॉचमैन जगा हुआ होना बहुत जरूरी
ठीक है. ज्यादा मत बोलो आप, ज्यादा मत बोलो. म्यूट कर लो इसको.
जली ना तेरी भी जली ना.
वाला हम गरीबों का सहारा, 5,000 डिपॉजिट 2,000 भाड़ा, कभी पानी आ रहा तो कभी पानी जा रहा, आ रहा जा रहा साला कहीं को पकारा. नेक्स्ट स्टेशन नाला सुपाला, अगला स्टेशन नाला सुपाला.
My favorite movie 8 kilometers. Please check it out on Netflix.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Oh भाई साहब.
Keep my man's head out of your fucking
Yeah, I was
mouth.
just thinking that Will Smith is going to find this man and destroy him.
Destroy his balls.
Gila.
Oh God.
Gila.
Shout out to all my Western Line fans. Shout out.
I love it, but Maharashtrian uncles inside trains are just most useful. Like you ask anyone and they'll tell you. But I used to, when I started just traveling by train, it was my favorite thing to just go and inside and ask कि ये station कौन से बाजू आएगा, इस तरफ की इस तरफ. Everybody knows which side the station is gonna come. You know, Bandra इस तरफ आता है, लेकिन दादर left side पे आएगा. दादर.
But not at Kalyan Tanmay.
Yeah.
You never know. At Kalyan station,
हाँ.
कौन सा side station आएगा? You never know.
अच्छा कहीं भी आ सकता है.
उसकी आवाज में
Every
दुख
day it's different. I've literally seen crowds shift their faces completely and then shift again because they're not confirmed कि कौन सा side आने वाला है.
Some guy just jumps anywhere.
बेकार है यार.
Dude, no one is panicking inside this bus. Just look at all of them.
उनको देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि उनको exactly पता है कि पानी कहाँ पे आके रुकेगा.
Yeah, everyone is dressed accordingly. सबका formals यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है. सबका formals यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है. अभी ये सोचते हैं, अरे क्या पता 2-3 पापलेट भी मिलेगा पानी में.
This music. What the fuck? Why do I feel I'm in a lift? Why do I feel?
ये बंदे ने सोचा कि मेरा रिवर्सिंग टोन में कुछ लगाता हो. भाई साहब कौन सा गाना चाहिए? एयरटेल का थीम म्यूजिक देना मुझे. एयरटेल का थीम म्यूजिक.
कौन सी जगह थी रोहन ने?
I think ये घाटकोपर में था. हाँ, अब घाटकोपर में नहीं है.
कार भी लाएगा. अच्छा चलता हूँ. दारू 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 दारू.
Was daru soda weed? Nice. No, you know why they turned that to daru sodva, no? Because the original one used to just say daru soda.
Oh.
Because Marathi for leave.
Oh yeah, soda is for leave.
Daru soda, like
Yeah.
leave alcohol, right? Soda Marathi. That we just had all these hoardings in the city just saying daru soda, and every time you drive past them, I wouldn't mind one actually.
और तलब हो जाती थी.
Exactly.
गर्ल्स भैया तीखा बना दो. पानी पूरी वाला भैया.
Funny because it's delicious. Reason it's called chaat. चल भाई स्टेशन आला उतर आता. ट्रेन थांबल्यावर उतरायचं ना. ट्रेन थांबल्यावर उतरायचं ना.
In my first few days in Bombay, someone told me, "अबे रुकने पे उतरेगा क्या?"
Only in Mumbai. Are you alcoholic? We can help. Shagri bhai.
What? Is this true?
Yeah.
मुझे लगा नशा मुक्ति का कुछ होगा.
दारू सोडा bro.
And of course, who can forget Mumbai police, guys? They have the most legendary memes that they post on the
Of
Twitter.
course.
When we spot someone not wearing a mask in public, kasala karta asa.
We'll always use this as an excuse to bring up my favorite Mumbai police story about how when they arrested Tiger Shroff for breaking lockdown, they tweeted very proudly the next day, "Some people do not understand that doing Hero Panti in these times is very not good." And they're like, fuck, I'm like, oh shit.
Mumbai police dropping the
Like
mic.
so-
Now Tiger 1410 left because one we have taken inside. Cancelling Kandivali people, especially Thakur village, are huge inconvenience to society. They should be cancelled for their toxic behavior. Help us make this happen.
Biggest chutyas of the complex in there.
Biggest chutyas of the complex sit there.
What is the nicest thing an absolute stranger has done for you? I just come to Mumbai from Delhi and was finding it warm, friendly, welcoming place. And then one day I was waiting for a local train at Khar. And a fast train went by. I was too close. And someone gave me a sharp, tight tapli on the head. That made me snap out of it.
I've gotten one of these. I was walking way too close to the train and this guy was politer, not a tapli, but he had an empty plastic water bottle. So while going past, he just used my head for a quick snare drum. Like a boom! One nice like tunk ran through my full body.
Yeah. Mumbai is the only place where before saving your life, someone says, "Marega re yede." Rent in Mumbai be like 45,000 per month.
Yeah, accurate.
टट्टी दो प्याजा बना रही हूँ आज खाने में.
क्या आपने बोला भैया तीखा बना रहा?
When they said sea facing, it's not sea facing, it's sea feces. Nothing, just me to broker for 1 BHK in Mumbai. ये गया 7 crore सीधे आपके बैंक अकाउंट में.
Oh, cries in security deposit.
Marathi parents, after their son turns 25, finding Goripuri. Mofos be like, Delhi is better than Bombay. Bro, you have to go back inside your house for fresh air.
True. It's true. Oh, shit. I would say choke on it, Vishal, but you'll go outside later and do it anyway. So why waste my breath? In fact, you also don't waste yours.
Mic drop me, AQI drop.
In Delhi, pulse oximeter doesn't say 97, 98. It just says, Marega re yede.
Lung damage. Aslam bhai submarine se aa rahe. Mofos from Navi Mumbai be living like an Excel sheet. Sector 4A, Cell 10C.
It's true.
Row house, row number, house number, everything is perfectly aligned.
On that note, gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us today. Ashish Chanslani, aka Theatre Ropi, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for being a Mumbaiker and defending our honor today. Prisoner Ropi, do we agree that Mumbaiites are savage?
Of course, always agree that Mumbaiites are savage.
When you are this close to death constantly,
Exactly.
you have no choice but to be savage.
Your life is a constant state of savagery.
Remember, friends, Marigari Ede!